I'm using Fusion Milk paint to get a smooth, controlled, distressed finish. Before any paint went on, I sealed the surface with a coat of clear shellac. Shellac provides a clean base to work on, and it makes sure that the surface is protected when you distress later on. So I'm just doing a very quick sand of that shellac primer that I put on and then wiping back all the dust again. And then I'm going to get this paint mixed up and ready to go. I mixed it up, equal parts water to paint, stirred it up for a couple of minutes. I'm using a foam brush here and going around all of the edges quickly and then just rolling everything on. This milk paint really doesn't take very long to dry at all, so I did 2 coats. Then I moved on to one of my favorite parts, distressing. I used wet sanding to wear the finish back in just the right places, focusing on edges, corners, and any area that would be high touch. Wet sanding gives you more control and creates a softer, time-worn look. Less is usually more when it comes to distressing, but if you take a little bit too much off, it's not a big deal. I just went back and added a bit more paint, and then let it sit for a bit while I finished the distressing on the rest of the piece. Then I came back to the drawer with just a wet rag this time and wiped back a little bit on the edges. Another distressing tip is to lean in to some of the blemishes and marks on your piece. I applied Fusion Minerals Natural Stain and Finishing Oil as the final top coat. I love how this method gives such a durable, time-worn finish. There's a link to the full makeover above if you want to watch that next. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing and check out my channel for more tips and transformations.